Hey, my Nikki Boos, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to the crew, go ahead and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss another video. Turn on that notification bell so that you will be notified every time that I upload. Don't forget to check out my website at pinkandpurplehair.com. Get all of your beauty, cosmetic, hair needs, all things beauty. Okay, go over there and check it out. Today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I bleach the knots on your closures. Now, knot bleaching is not something that automatically comes with. I will bleach the knots for you. That service will be on the website. However, if you don't feel like it's bleached enough, then you will have to, of course, bleach your knots again. But today I'm going to be using a 5x5 closure. These are my personal favorites because I feel like it's much less maintenance than a frontal. So I'm just gonna go ahead and bleach the knots, and I thought maybe I should record this so that you guys can see and watch how it's done. I'm using a regular kitchen spoon and this black bowl that I got from, I believe I got this bowl from Walmart. It's just a regular plastic bowls. And also the BW2 by Clairol. This is like the everyday bleach that just about everybody uses. I'm also going to use this 30 volume developer. This is pretty simple, guys. The ingredients are simple. And I'm going to use the cap in order to measure. The ratio I like to start off with is 2 to 1. So I use 2 capfuls of bleach and 1 capful of developer just to start out. I'm just going to stir that up just to see where I'm at. And of course, as you can see, that is not enough. So you want to gradually add it in there. At this point, it's a really thick paste. We just want to thin it out just a little bit. As I stated, we want to gradually do this, so I'm only going to add a half cap more because you want it to be thick so that it doesn't run through the lace and onto the roots of your hair. You just want to bleach the knots. So as you can see, I just added a half and it thinned it out drastically. And this consistency is exactly what we're looking for. Very thick and like toothpaste like consistency. Just like a tad bit thinner than a good toothpaste, but exact consistency of like a cheap toothpaste. So now here is our 5x5 closure, and it is laying on a piece of aluminum foil. We're going to use the foil in order to assist in activating the change of the color to make it go a little bit faster. So I just use that spoon. You can also use a dyeing brush if you have one, but I don't. So I'm just going to use this spoon right now, because honestly, I will use the spoon, a dyeing brush, a popsicle stick. I will use anything because I'm used to doing this. But I would strongly suggest that if you are new at this, do not use the spoon because I don't want you to press in too much. Purchase a dyeing brush and use that. Use gentle strokes. You do want to press just a little bit, but not too much. You want to press just enough to cover those knots. So I'm going to go ahead and speed this up because you guys pretty much got the gist of what I'm doing. You also want to make sure where your baby hairs are, you want to go in and add product there as well. I haven't gotten to the baby hair parts just yet, but here you'll see me do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward this, guys, because this pretty much is the gist of what needs to be done. Here I'm just going to start to wash the bleach out by starting with just plain water first, and I try to rinse away from the closure so that it goes directly into the sink. This is basically a rinse cycle. After a rinse, I use my Iso Plus, a neutralizing shampoo, to stop the processing.
Darling, I'm selfish. Wish I could love you, but you don't tell me how much you want it. I need a reason, I need an answer, then I can love you every day. But hold on to your feelings till you know what you're in for. Just hold on just a minute till you know what I'm good for. I could give you a try, take it to the sky, if you give me one good reason why.
After a good shampoo, I'm going to go in with my Shimmer Lights purple shampoo, and this is just going to help to get rid of any brassiness that might be on the closure.
Better be honest. If you want my kiss, give me a reason, give me an answer.
After the purple shampoo, I'm going to go ahead and condition the hair and the closure. And then I'm going to rinse that out, put in a little bit of leave-in conditioner, and let it air dry. So now I'm going to move on to a frontal that I have to do as well. And then I will pick you guys back up when I'm done with both.
I could give you a try, take it to the sky, if you give me one good reason.
Okay guys, so it is still technically a little bit wet, so that's why it's looking kind of stringy right now, but I wanted to show you guys what the lace looks like now. You can kind of see that it's blonde. It don't look like it's coming up on camera, but when we look in between, looks more like scalp. Try to be still so you can see it, but looks more like scalp. I have my finger in there. And I can't. Okay. There we go. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that is the way that you bleach your knots on your closure or your frontal. If you do not know what company I am speaking of, it is pink, the letter N, purple hair.com, and hopefully you guys can find just some goodies there. It is a hair and cosmetic company, lip gloss wholesale, and everything else. Thank you guys so much for watching. That concludes this video. Now you see how to bleach the knots on your closure. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. You can also email us at customerservice@pinkandpurple.com. You can share this video. Please share the video for us. Make sure you thumbs it up, and we're going to also post part of the video on Instagram at Mavericks Cosmetics. Make sure you tag someone who might need it on that video. Thank you guys again so much.